Hello and welcome. My name is Kim. In this module, I'll teach you how to write your first program in Haskell. Use the put string line function. Main equals do. This line defines the main function, which is the entry point of every Haskell program. The do keyword indicates that this function contains a sequence of actions to be performed. The let keyword is used to bind values to variables in Haskell. Here it declares a variable x and assigns it the value of hello, world. The last line calls the put string line function, which takes a string as an argument and prints it to the console followed by a new line character. The value of x is passed as an argument to put string line and printed. In Haskell you can use -- to initiate comments. It has no effect on the code, but it provides context and explanation for the reader. Please note that in Haskell, indentation is significant and is used to indicate the structure of the code. Use string interpolation and the put string line function. In Haskell, the dollar symbol is used to avoid parentheses when calling functions. It has the lowest precedence of any operator in Haskell, so any expression that follows it will be treated as if it were surrounded by parentheses. The dollar symbol is often used to make code more readable by avoiding the need for parentheses, particularly when calling functions with long or complex argument lists. This line calls the put string line function, which takes a string as an argument and prints it to the console followed by a new line character. The string the value of x is concatenated with the result of calling the show function on x using the ++ operator. The show function converts a value to a string representation, so show x will produce the string 10. The resulting string is passed as an argument to put string line. Use the print function, which takes care of the format and prints a string representation of that value to the console. In this example, we import the printf function from the text.printf module. The printf function is a variant of the printf function from the C programming language, which allows you to format and print strings using a printf-style format string. In this case, we call the printf function, which takes a format string and a list of values to be formatted and printed. The format string the value of x is %d\n specifies that a decimal integer value should be printed after the string the value of x is. The value of x is passed as an argument to printf, so it will be formatted and printed in place of the %d placeholder in the format string. To compile and run the code, you'll have to save it with the extension .hs and then execute the steps shown on this slide.